Всім привіт, хто вивчає українську мову. Welcome back to the Ukrlearner, where you can learn Ukrainian in easy and natural way. Today we have a little bit special Ukrainian lesson. We are going to practice your pronunciation with the numerals from 1 to 100. They are a little bit tricky even here for native speakers, but don't worry, by the end of this lesson I'm sure you are going to have them all completely down and you are going to be saying them much more confidently. Just practice with me today in this learning video. And our pronunciation lesson is started just now. We are going to start from the first 10 that you probably know very well, but actually we start from the 0. In Ukrainian, it pronounces like null. There are 4 letters, but just one syllable. At the end of this word we have the soft sign. Soft sign in Ukrainian has no sound, but instead of it has a direct effect on the previous consonant before. It's soft consonant. In our case is L. Soft L. Null. 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 Okay, now let's count together from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's pay your attention on 2 vowels in Ukrainians. They are U, I. U, I. So the sound U there is no the same sound in English, but when we pronounce this sound we have to pull our mouth into 2 sides. Long sound U, 1, 3, 4. And the opposite vowel is I. I. We have the same in English. It's a short sound. I. 6, 7, 8. Again, in the numerals 5, 6, 9, 10, we have to pronounce the last letter like soft T, 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 because it stands before the soft sign. 5, 9, 10, 6. Okay. Now don't ignore the apostrophe because it plays a great pronunciation role in Ukrainian. It separates 2 letters, so we have to pronounce it separately. For example, let's compare without apostrophe and with apostrophe. The same words. 5, 5, 9, 9. So the correct one will be the second variant. 5, 9. Now let's make together the numerals from 11 to 19. In Ukrainian they are a little bit tricky because we need just to add not the Z, but we really pronounce it in different way. Let's see. 11. You hear I missed out D. I change it to S. 12. Again the same. 13. 14. 15. 16. Here we don't pronunciate T. We just lose it. She's not sit. But in written Ukrainian, we of course write T. She's not sit. But pronunciate she's not sit. And the rest. 17, 18, 19. So once again, so we D turns into S, and have to remember about 16, 16, we don't pronunciate T, 16, miss out it. Now it's time to talk about 20 and 30, and here's 2 points that you have to remember about their pronunciation. The first one is D turns into S. So in these 2 numerals we have to pronunciate S, T, like long and soft. And the last consonant is also soft, T, 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 because before soft sign. So we have to pronunciate these 2 numerals in the next way. 20, 30, 20, 30. For example, 21, 25, 33, 34. Okay, and the next one is 40. We pronunciate it 40. And here it looks like without any trouble. Wow! 40. Now look at the next numerals, 50, 60, 70, and 80. We are making the Ukrainian numerals in the next way, so we need to add to 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, which could be translated in Ukrainian like 10. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80. In all these numerals we have the stress on the S, 50, 60. Again here, 60, I don't pronunciate T because we miss out in our pronunciation. But when we write this, of course we write like 60, but pronunciate 60, 70, 80. Now let's look at 19 and 100. In Ukrainian we pronunciate it like 90 and 100. First of all, here 90, we have 4 syllables, and the third one is stressed, 90. And 100, I think this numeral is the simplest numerals for today, and there is no trouble to pronunciate it. It's too easy. 100. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Make sure that you will get the free PDF pronunciation sheet to practice the numerals in Ukrainian, and the link you can find in the description box. Push the red button, subscribe to get the next video lesson, and follow me on Instagram. Write in the comments, how do you feel yourself with Ukrainian pronunciation? Is it still tough for you? See you then. Побачимось. Bye-bye.